Thank you for taking the time to watch our tutorial for working with shapes in our online artwork design tool. First, I'm going to start with a line. You can rotate the line by using the rotate tool found here, and you can rotate it by 90 degrees by clicking this button once. You can also enter the exact degrees you'd like the line to be. You can also grab the rotate tool handle here connected to the line to rotate the line. You can resize the line by clicking the resize tool, which will change the length of the line. You can also change the position of the line on the template. You're also able to resize by clicking and dragging the handles on the line. To make the line thicker, you can use the border tool and increase the border thickness. You can also change the color of the line here, and if none of these colors work for you, you can click more colors and select from a full range of colors. Once you've found the color you want, click update. You're also able to align the line horizontally and vertically along the template. You're also able to duplicate the line and lock the line. Locking the line will allow you to work without interfering with the line that's already here. No moving and no changing it. To unlock, click the lock button again. And you can also delete the line. Next, we'll use an arrow. The rotate property works the exact same as the line. Resizing will change the width and the height, and you can do this either proportionally or not proportionally, depending on if your lock aspect ratio is checked. You can use the color function here to change the interior color of the arrow. The border will be a border around the outside of the arrow, and then you can select the color of the border as well. You can align the arrow just like you did line. And to move shapes in front of one another, you can use the layers tool to send it behind or all the way to the back of the template, or forwards or all the way to the front of the template. One thing different about some shapes is that they have the properties tab. You can click this, and for arrows, it'll change the head width of the arrow and the tail width of the arrow. You can also duplicate, lock, and delete, just like you did the line. We'll also be taking a look at a pentagon. The rotate tool works the exact same, and the resize works very similarly. Change the color here, and the border. And you can align just like you did the other shapes. The layers function will also work the same by sending backwards and forwards. But the properties tool is what's different for the pentagon, and you can change the amount of sides that it has. You can also change the radius of the corners, and that way it'll look more rounded. The duplicate, lock, and delete features work the exact same. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.